Hello and welcome to Impressions YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Cavanis and today we wanted to talk about two of my favorite products in the Impressions collection. That would be our Piedmont series as well as our Nantucket series. Both of these products are made of Appalachian oak and they come in 3 1/4 thick solid format and 2 1/4 inch wide as well as 3 1/4 inch wide. Now we're talking about both of these products at the same time because they are so similar to each other in how they come and how they're made and the finish and the widths that really the only difference between the two is that our Nantucket series is a very, very clean product. And when we say clean, what we mean is it's got very low character. You're going to have very few and very small knots, if any at all. Very few mineral streaks, and you're going to get a very consistent color range out of the Nantucket series. On the other hand, the Piedmont collection is going to have just a little bit more of what we call mineral streaks, some small knots, and maybe a little bit more color variance between the boards. Other than that, they both come out of the same mill, which is a family-owned local mill. They are both produced on white oak for all of our stain colors, as well as we do use red oak in our red oak natural color. Between these two collections, we have 9 of the most popular colors. And one thing that's unique about the Impressions line of solid hardwood that's really kind of unique in the marketplace is that these 9 colors are not just picked by designers and someone that's really not in the wood industry picking out colors. The cool thing about us is our products and our colors are mostly determined by the stain colors used on site finished flooring. So you're sure to get a very, very popular color choice with whichever color you choose in these two collections. Now, one last thing that's of great importance, you'll notice on the back of each of these boards, you see it on the bottom of this Nantucket board and on the top of the Piedmont board, is you see the back of the flooring. You would ask, well, why am I looking at the back of a board? I'll never see that when it's installed. But it's probably the most unique feature in the hardwood industry available only in the Impressions collection. That is that these two products, Piedmont and Nantucket, are sealed on all 6 sides of every plank. Now what that means is that you not only have the finish and the color on top, but you have a sealer in the groove, on the back, on the ends of the boards, and on the tongue on the other side. Everywhere around there's a sealer, and what that is there for and what it's designed for is to keep moisture from migrating into or out of this flooring at a rapid pace. In solid hardwood flooring, that's probably one of the biggest concerns when installing it in your house is the reaction of that wood to moisture either in the environment or in the subfloor that you're attaching it to. That moisture migration in and out of the flooring is where you get the seasonal gaps in the winter, you get squeaky floors, or you get what we call in the industry cupping, which is where the two boards are pushing against each other and they have nowhere to go other than to peak up. I would encourage you to Google cupping and moisture related issues with flooring to get more information about that. Just know that with these two products, we are offering really a innovative approach and solution to those issues. Again, thank you for considering Impressions hardwood flooring. Thank you for looking at these products. And for more information, please visit our website or your local Impressions dealer.